Hello, I am so excited to be bringing information to you today about the Calendar Girl Model Search. And you're receiving this video because you booked a Calendar Girl model session with your consultant. So I want to tell you all about the contest and what you can expect during your appointment. Our contest is every month this year, and you are going to be featured as one of our Calendar Girl models. Your consultant is going to meet with you and any guests that you have, and I strongly encourage you to share your appointment with a few girlfriends, because then you're going to be getting free Mary Kay products when you share your makeover with a couple of friends. Your consultant will do all the work for you. All you have to do is get her a guest list of 10, 15, 20 names, phone numbers, and email addresses, and she's going to call each and every one to let them know what the Calendar Girl Makeover Contest is, how their appointment is going to work, and what to expect. Just like you're getting this video, she's going to do that with your friends. Now, they must be over 18 in order to be entered into the contest, so make sure your guest list includes women over 18. Now, during that appointment, you're going to wear a solid color top. No plaids, no stripes, no emblems, just a solid color top, any color of your choice. She's going to be taking a before and after photo of you, and that photo is just going to be a headshot, just your face. It's going to be 2 or 3 before pictures, 2 or 3 after pictures, and then she's going to pick the very best ones and bring that to you for you to approve and sign the page with your pictures on it. If you have a business, be sure to give her your business card, because she can feature your business card in the page with your picture. So that's free advertising, and who doesn't like free, right? Now, when you share your makeover with a couple of girlfriends, you're getting free products, and she's going to tell you all about that. So if she hasn't already, she'll be in contact with you to tell you what you can get free when you share your makeover with your friends. So let me tell you about the first thing you get free. When you go ahead and get her the guest list of 10, 15, 20 names, phone numbers, and email addresses, you're going to get a free product just for getting that back to her within 24 hours. So when you get finished watching this video, type out your list in an email and send it to her, or call her and give it to her, because you're getting something free, and free is always good. Okay, so there will be a monthly winner each and every month, and if you're chosen as the monthly winner, the grand prize monthly winner, you're going to get a free photo shoot with me. I'm also a photographer, and I'm a sales director with Mary Kay. So I'm really excited about doing this appointment with you, so that you get to participate in the pictures as well, and I get to meet you face to face. So your photo session will last about an hour, and it can include anyone you want in that picture. It can be a family photo shoot, it can be for your kids, you can include your parents, anyone you want in that photo. And remember, if you're out of town from me, I do travel, so it's okay if you're not here in Florence, South Carolina with me. You can still participate in the photo shoot. There's also going to be some free product drawings, so if you don't win the photo shoot, you're still entered into the free product drawings that we're giving away. And then, what's even more exciting, you're going to be featured in our unit calendar if you're the monthly winner. You're going to be featured in there along with your consultant as her client of the month and our monthly winner in the contest. So, in addition to that, at the end of the year, out of all 12 winners, there's going to be a grand prize drawing for the person who was picked as the yearly winner. She's going to be earning another photo shoot, free products, gift certificates, and so much more. So I'm really excited about all the things that we have to offer you just for entering the Calendar Girl Makeover Contest. How exciting is that? So I'm excited about meeting you and seeing your photos. I cannot wait to get the email from your consultant with your before and after photo. We will be featuring your photo also on our unit website under our model page, and that website, if you want to check out your photos there, is paulabaker.biz. paulabaker.biz. So check that out today. And while you're there, be sure to check out our opportunity page where you can be entered into our cash drawing of $100. Go check that out and enter the drawing there, and your consultant will be sure to let you know when the drawing is. Hey, you might even win cash in addition to winning your photo shoot and your Mary Kay free products. How exciting. So be sure today to get your guest list back to your consultant with 10, 15, or 20 names, phone numbers, and email addresses, so that she can start calling your guests today and help you get lots of free Mary Kay products. We love free. I can't wait to see your pictures, so get those in today, and be sure to let your consultant know who your guests are going to be. I'm so excited. I can't wait to meet you. Have a blessed day.